Hi all, let's look at the practice of what you guys have on School City. So keep in mind that this has been reset for everyone. So make sure that you complete this and you submit this. Now on this very question number 1, we are going to graph the system of inequalities. So we are first going to be looking at the inequality x is greater than or equal to -1. So on the x-axis, I'm going to find -1 and I'm going to put my first point there. Now to graph this line, I know that when it's x, it creates a vertical line. So I'm going to graph a point that is right above that, and that'll give me my graph. Now, this one is a solid line, but if I felt like it was a dashed line, right underneath where it says line A, I can click dashed and it would switch it to dashed. If I go back and click solid, it'll switch it to solid. Now to graph line B, that's the second equation, y is greater than 3. I'm first going to fill in that little circle that says line B. So now I'm working with the second graph. So if I have y equals or is greater than 3, I'm going to find 3 on the y-axis. I know that this one creates a horizontal line. So on this one here, I am going to go to the right one. If you don't want to go to the right one, you could go to any number on the on that line where y is 3. Okay. Now that should have been a dash line. So here under line B it says solid, but if I select dash or if I change it to dash, it's going to switch the line to dashed. So I can move that as well. All right, now up on top, there's also a button that says solution set. So when we click solution set, that's the one that's going to allow us to do the section of shading that we want. So if x is greater than -1, then I know it's going to be shaded off to the right side of the solid line. Now, it also says that y is greater than 3. So that means it's going to be above the dash line that I have there. So to shade, I want to shade that top right corner, okay? Now, if you want to reset the whole thing, you can just by hitting the reset button, and that will delete everything on your graph and you can start all over. Once you complete number 1, I want you to go over to number 2. Now on number 2 on these equations, the first one's already in slope-intercept form. And the second equation is not in slope-intercept form, so you've got to rewrite that one first, so it is. And then you can graph using slope-intercept form. If you remember how to find the x and y intercepts, you are also able to use that method as well.